Okay, so yesterday I introduced the real number system and I discussed the different types of real numbers. And I told you that there are two main groups of real numbers, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers, right? Now, your rational numbers, they are denoted by, so your rational numbers, they are denoted by a capital letter Q. Okay? They are denoted by a capital letter Q. Then your irrational numbers, they are denoted by a capital letter Q with a prime. Okay? So Q prime stands for irrational numbers. So if I write, say, x is an element of Q prime, it means x is an irrational number. Okay? If I write x is an element of Q, it means x is a rational number. I'm very much aware that this type of notation is new to you, but you are going to learn about it, I think probably by next week or so. Okay, but by the end of this month, you should be familiar with that new notation. So we start with our what? Our real numbers. Then we divide them into two groups, rational and irrational. Now, all your rational numbers can be written as a fraction. That is a numerator, which is an integer, and the denominator, which is an integer. But the denominator cannot be zero, because any number divided by zero, that number is undefined. Okay? So all rational numbers can be written as fractions or common fractions. Okay, the fractions can be proper or improper fractions. Right? Then our rational numbers now, they can also be subdivided. Okay, we have got three main groups. We've got our natural numbers, that is, the counting numbers. The natural numbers, we also call them what? The counting numbers. Right? So when you count, you start from 1. Okay? And the notation which is used for natural numbers, it's a capital letter N. Okay? It's a capital letter N. It's a special N. It's not written like your normal N. Okay, but as teachers, sometimes we just accept it if you write the N like that, then like your normal N on the English alphabet. That's a special case of the N, okay, which is used to denote natural numbers. So your natural numbers, they start from 1 up to positive infinity. Then your whole numbers now include all the natural numbers plus 0. So we denote them by N with a subscript 0. And in maths, we pronounce that as N naught. Okay, we pronounce it as N naught. Then, if you write a set of numbers that has got all the natural numbers and all the whole numbers, remember, your whole numbers include the natural numbers. So if you write all the whole numbers, you are including the natural numbers. Then if you also write the negatives of the natural numbers, you end up forming a new set of numbers, which is called the set of integers. Right? So your integers, they start from negative infinity up to positive infinity. Right? And they are denoted by a special letter as well. It's a capital letter Z. Now you are going to encounter integers a lot in this subject. So you are going to see that that's Z. Also, with regard to your real numbers, they also have their own notation. Here, it means this color. Real numbers are denoted by a capital letter R. Real numbers are denoted by a capital letter R. Okay? The integers, it's a capital letter Z, but it's a special type of Z. Alright? Then your rational numbers, okay, just to summarize, they consist of the integers. And we know that integers are made up of natural numbers and whole numbers, together with the negatives of the natural numbers, right? Then we also have other types of numbers, like for example, proper fractions. Okay, if you divide two integers, excluding the 0, then you can end up having also a rational number. Then the improper fractions and proper fractions, and also your mixed numbers as well. they are all rational numbers. Then you have got what are called terminating decimals, and I explained yesterday what a terminating decimal is. It has got a specific number of digits after the comma. That's a terminating decimal. Then you also have recurring decimals. Now, recurring decimals have got specific digits that repeat themselves, okay, following a specific pattern, right? Yesterday, I create PDFs of the work, then I'll send it to you, okay? So that in the case that you are behind, you can always catch up. Also, I make a video of the lesson as well, okay? So once the WhatsApp group is running, every day after the lesson, I'll send the PDF, and I'll also send homework on WhatsApp as well, right? I'm going to stop here because we need to sanitize, or we need to mark the register. Like that. Let me give you your homework. Right? So your homework, exercise 1. Okay, please write this down. Exercise 1 on page 4, you do A4 to A6. Sorry, A5 and A6. Okay, A5 and A6 because I did A1 to A4. Please take note of what I'm saying. So you do A5 and A6. That's question 1. Then B, you do B5 to B8. So you do the rest of the questions that I didn't do. Then C, I didn't do any question there because I did that on purpose, right? So C, you have to do all of them, right? C, tomorrow when I go over them, it will be just saying whether is it rational or not, that's it. And then D, I want you to go home and try to do, because I also have to stimulate you a little bit, right? So you can do D3. You try D3 on your own. Okay? That's all. All right, I need to mark the register, then I need to sanitize. Okay, Dante. Okay. Yesterday, I marked Sheikh Mohammed, the first one, as absent. You were here, isn't it? Okay. So today you are here. Then Riley, you are here. Tabang, Jadin, Luto, Esetu, Deseri, you are here. Okay, Jaitin, Muhammad Sheikh, you are here. Okay, Amarse, Makanya, Ayanda, Nyakalo. Please just raise your hand so that I can see you. Aryan, Madurai, can you sit down, please? Okay, sorry. Hello. Please, because of COVID, you only sit at one place. Yeah. So tomorrow, if you're gonna sit there, that will be your permanent place. All right. All right. Nolutando, Asanda, Lungelo, Rien, Sbonelo, Aisipo, Sean. Right. Then new learners. Okay, Karima, you are here. Ntando Enkosi. Tando. Okay, Anneliso. Okay, Samkelisiwe. I need to see you after the lesson. So let's sanitize now. Just clean your desk. Clean your desk.